Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do an update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price. And guys, as we know, the FOMC meeting just finished, Jeremy Powell's speech just finished, and we saw finally the 25 basis point, which was very expected as we spoke yesterday. And guys, this kind of 25 basis point created lots of confusion. What's about to happen in the market? And guys, as you can clearly see, after some rejection that we saw, some pump, some neutral position, finally we saw a pump on the market, which right now is a Bitcoin is standing in the most dangerous position that you should ever experience in the last couple of days, because guys, currently there is a fake belief that this kind of news that we saw, it was actually bullish. And guys, this is not bullish news. Beware of that, and I'm going to explain you deeply in this video why I believe that this news actually was bearish and not bullish, and this pump is not correlated with this news that we had here. So I'm expecting a big volatility to happen in the next coming hours, and of course I'm expecting as a reversal in the next hours that's coming back to $23,000 or even below to $22,500. And I'm gonna show you guys on this video what I'm expecting in the short term, what I'm expecting in the mid long term, and of course what you should do on this current market condition. So guys, if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you help me a lot to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm. And guys, all I need from you is a daily like, a daily comment, a share with your friends in your social media is exactly what I want, and I appreciate you for this help, guys. From the bottom of my heart, a big thank you to all of you. And let's dive straight to the daily time frame to begin our analysis. And guys, I won't jump into smaller analysis, into a smaller time frame, I mean, because currently we're gonna see crazy volatility, and probably it's gonna have absolutely no sense to see smaller time frames, because we're gonna see some crazy big price fluctuation on the Bitcoin price. That's why we're gonna analyze only the daily time frame today, and we're gonna continue with some more fundamentals. So guys, from technically, as I told you before, nothing changed at all. We saw some slightly pump to the upside. We should actually surpass this $24,000 that happened before 2 days with this very well manipulated pump that happened by big whales, and actually to consider this some bullish momentum. But no matter what's about to happen, no matter if we're gonna see surpass and break out of this $24,000 area, I'm gonna still remain bearish, because as we are from technical side below the $25,233, which was the previous height of the biggest bull trap that we have experienced until then, we remain bearish. We have a lower high here, and that's creating some kind of downtrend movement. Okay, you should understand that. And guys, from the current situation, as you can notice, that 25 basis point that we saw today, most people believed yesterday that this is actually a bullish move. That's why we see right now on the chart a pump, guys, because most people yesterday believed that if we're gonna see the 25 basis point, this is actually a bullish. Guys, it's not a bullish, it's bearish, and my justification for that is that if we would like to see some real pump on the markets, we should have stopped watching the rates increasing. We should actually watch the 1% probability to the rates not increase at all. Okay, and also Jeremy Powell in his speech told us that in the next coming months the rates gonna be increased. So he actually preparing us that we're gonna see more increasement on the rates, and that's actually, guys, a bearish situation. I don't know why most people right now believe that this is actually a bullish news, and they pumping the price like crazy with long positions. Guys, I highly believe that this kind of price that you're watching currently in $23,700, in a few hours from now it's gonna drop to $23,000, or either at $22,500. And mark my words, because I believe that in the next day or two we're gonna see crazy volatility on the market, lots of pump and sell-offs, and that's gonna create all this insane volatility. After 1 day or two, we're gonna finally see some neutral movement on the market, and afterwards I believe that we're gonna start moving to the downside, because the whales gonna sell off, and if we're gonna see any big sell-off, then all the farmers gonna fear and gonna actually start selling off, because you're gonna see that suddenly it's gonna emerge a news that are gonna be all bearish, and then we're gonna create all this bearish momentum once again, because guys, fundamentally we are still bearish. And you should understand that if we would like to see some bullish action, we need to see some good inflation rates, some good unemployment rates. All these things play a big role. Even the Jeremy Powell speech today, as I told you before, it was bearish. I don't know why people believe that Jeremy Powell told us something bullish. If we would like to see some real bullish action, we should have no increase on the rates. Okay, because 25 basis point, as you can clearly see, pump the rates at 425 basis point within 450 basis point, which actually very huge number. And in the next meeting, we're still gonna have, according to what Jeremy Powell speaks, we're gonna have more increase on the rates, 25 basis point, which is still an increasement, guys. Okay, if you would like actually to see a real pump, even at the next FOMC meeting, which is about to happen in around 48 days from now, we will need to watch the 3.6% probability, which is actually not to see an increase on the rates. This 3.6% is gonna be, guys, the real pump. Okay, this kind of pump that's happening currently is, for me, a fake pump. It's a completely fake belief that this is the end of bear market, and it's very dangerous position. That's why, guys, I'm suggesting you to be very careful with your long positions if you open long position at that area. And if you actually in a way that you're thinking if you should trade or not, I'm suggesting you to do not trade. Of course, I'm not financial advisor. Okay, you can do whatever you want, but guys, I'm suggesting you the thing that I'm suggesting you to do is to do DCA, guys. Okay, because by doing DCA, you won't have to worry if the price is going upwards and this is the end of the bear market, if we will see any kind of reversal to the downside. I'm suggesting you exactly the thing that I'm doing currently. I'm doing DCA daily or weekly, it depends on your preference. And guys, if you're gonna see finally the drop, then you can double down, triple down your positions and buy more if you want to see, for example, the Bitcoin dropping under $12,000 or $18,000, prices like that. Okay, you can double down, triple down on those areas. But currently, if you would like not to miss the trend without caring if it's not if it's correct or not, just do DCA and you are gonna be in. Because if you focus on 5 years from now, where it's gonna be the Bitcoin, and let's say the number 100k or 200k, which I believe a lot, we're gonna see 200k, $1,000, the Bitcoin price minimum in the next 4 or 5 years, guys. Imagine that you can buy in less than 10x from the current price, which is insane investment. Okay, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. From indicators, guys, I'm going to show you all the MACD, because MACD is still bearish. As you can clearly see here, we are in still bearish territory, and if we're gonna see this kind of pump faking out all the way down to $23,000 or even to the level that I told you, $22,500, we're gonna see this thing getting bigger and bigger, and we're gonna start moving very low. Okay, beware of those things, guys. I would like to protect you and not lose your big long positions and actually get liquidated to that. And that's why I'm suggesting you DCA to be inside whatever is gonna happen. Okay, this is my strategy on these current market conditions. And guys, this is my video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below in the comment section what's your opinion. I would be happy to see that. And see you guys tomorrow with my fresh updates. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.